Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It's Sunday, let's have a look here. Sunday, 24th of July. Just gone 8 o'clock in the evening. Excuse me. Going to be showing you that some of these are my Agapanthus that I've grown from seed. This is their third year, and this is the amazing first flower, which I'm so proud of. Look absolutely amazing. Yep, as you can see my hand there, so probably 6 inches across that one. Let's get the dead flower out. Those from the hanging baskets. Have a look at those. Have a look at these, shall we? Yeah, just look at the patterns on the petals there. Absolutely stunning. So pleased with those. That's the first one. And if we come across here, this is the second one that's starting to produce some flower buds. It's going to be absolutely amazing. I can't wait. Can't wait till this one flowers. Got one here. This is called Queen Mum. This one is not being grown from seed. This one was from the Harrogate Flower Show several years ago. And then we come through here, just past my clotted cream, which smells absolutely divine. Around here, these are some that were from the pound shop a few years ago. They look absolutely great. And these are the ones I want to show you. These are going to be absolutely stunning. These two here, one there, one there, and one here. I just can't wait till these petals open. And I've got another two on top that haven't produced any flower buds this year, but they will next year, so it's not a worry. Some down there. So yeah, I've got those there. And then we come back around here. That breeze is absolutely lovely today. Back around here. And I have here, there's another, this one, the one behind that hasn't produced any flowers this year. And then I've I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably 6 or 7 that need to produce some flowers. And they will produce them next year. I've grown them in a peat-based compost. These are the size of the pots they're in. Let's get this one out for you. These are the size of the pots they're in. As you can see there. Really nicely pot bound. It doesn't really seem to affect them much. As long as you don't let them dry out. Look at the flowers there. As long as you don't let them dry out. Keep them nice and moist and keep them fed, that's the main thing. Then you end up with some stunning flowers like this. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, Agapanthus, begonias, anything like that, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like the videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.